Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Kindly subscribe. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, this high bond without gel. So stay tuned and watch my video to the end. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Going straight into this video now. So I'm going to be braiding. So I had my hair braided into like 5 to 6 sections so that it will stretch out when I lose it, so that it won't be too shrunk. Also, I moisturize using water before I take down my braid. Sometimes I use leave-in conditioner, but here I just use water since like it's not really extreme. Now I'll be using my wide tooth comb to comb gently from bottom to top. And yes, I'll also dampen my hair with water. That's very important. I can't comb my hair dry. I must always wet it first. And yes, always comb your hair in sections. I am also going with my afro comb to further add volume to my hair and stretch also. Going in with a harder brush now to smooth in my edges. Now I'm going to be tying my hair. So I'm going to be using my shoelace. Yes, that's the only thing I could find that could handle this. So you can use rope. I don't know, anything you see. Me, I saw my shoelace, my black shoelace. So I'm going to be using my two thumbs to also simultaneously move the lace at the back of my head. So I'm going to be doing that till I get to the top, like where I want it to stop at. So that's what I'm going to do to secure my puff properly. Like when I get this size, but I really want like high puff in this video. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Yes, and I'm also going to secure my puff properly. So that's I'm just going to like repeatedly tie it till the lace is exhausted because it's actually very long. going in now with my Afro pick out comb to increase my fro puff. Sorry. Applying leave-in conditioner to my edges. Round. I'm going to apply it round. That's what I'm going to be doing now. So after doing this, I'm going to be tying my hair down for 3 to 5 minutes to just like let it sit in and let everything be well laid down. It's actually well laid down already, but yes, I want to do it because I can do it. So I'm going to do it. And I'm also going to brush. Yes, I'm going to brush. Let everything be smooth. You get now. Let everything just look yummy, yummy, yummy. So after 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to be releasing. So I'm going to be adding these little cute butterflies to my puff to like beautify it more because I can and I will. If you are still with me at this point in this video, please like, share, and subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Thank you for sticking with me and see you in my next video. Bye.